Hello children, I hope everything is going well. Now, see children, in today's class, I'll tell you something about the combination of sentences. Combination of sentences means when you combine two different sentences with the help of conjunctions. Conjunctions, and, but, so, besides, in spite of, okay, despite, nevertheless. So there are so many conjunctions with the help of which you can join two different sentences. But in both classes, in both paper, okay, in 10th class and in 9th class, in both the classes, one question comes that is of 4 marks, in which that is very compulsory question and very important question. This question is a part of our functional grammar. Functional grammar means when you do all the things, this structural grammar, that is active, passive, degrees of comparison, okay, all these things, direct, indirect, conjunctions, everything, these are called functional grammar. And this type of question, when you will have to join two different sentences into one, this type of question carries 4 marks, very important, okay. But as you know, many conjunctions are there, many helping words are there with the help of which you join two different sentences. But in this question, which is very important, you should remember that you have to join the sentences without using and, but, so. Using of these and, but, so makes our question very easy. Okay, it becomes very easy to join different sentences by using these words. Okay, like I like watching movie, I like playing hockey. I like, and when you join these two sentences, you say I like watching movie and playing hockey. Okay, suppose second sentence, suppose I'll give you have used and here, it becomes so easy. Okay, now suppose next question. Okay, if I'll say that Rahul asked me a question, first sentence, I was unable to answer it. Now join these two sentences and you will very easily say Rahul asked me a question but I was unable to answer it. But you have to, now one thing you have noted that it becomes very easy to use but here you have to remove but, you have to remove and, okay, and then you have to join the sentences. It means you will have to use the words which are alternatives of and, but, so. Okay, like Rahul, I was unable to answer the question that Rahul asked or which Rahul asked. Clear? So these type of questions, these type of sentences we'll have to do today. So I want every one of you to please pay attention on the examples which I am going to give you or I am going to tell you. Okay, means you have to pay attention on what? You have to pay attention on the words which can be used in place of and, but, so. In place of and, there are many words which you can use, like as well as, in spite of, many things are there. So let us do few examples and then we will discuss. Clear? Now let's do, children, few more examples of joining sentences without and, but, so. Means we have to join the sentences without using and, but, so. Now see the alternatives of and, means what are the words which we can use in place of and. Like he is a lawyer, he is a social worker. Now in without using and, how you could join these two sentences? By using as well as in place of and. Like he is a lawyer as well as a social worker, and you can use besides. Besides being a lawyer, comma, he is a social worker. Now, alternatives of but. In place of but, what you can use? Like, she is intelligent, she is not hard working. Suppose these two are the two different sentences. Now, though you can use very easily but, okay, but in place of but you should use although she is intelligent, comma, she is not hard working. When you use although, comma is must. Now second, she is intelligent. In place of but you can use yet. She is not hard working. She is intelligent, nevertheless she is not hard working. So you have used although, yet, nevertheless. Okay. Now further examples of but. In place of but, what you can use? In spite of being intelligent, she is not hard working. You can use in spite of. And same you can use despite. Despite being intelligent, she is not hard working. But the use of comma is must when you use other alternatives of but. Now alternatives of so. In place of so, what you can use? You make a good deal of noise. I cannot work. These two are different sentences. How you can use without using so? Since. In place of so, you can use since you make a good deal of noise. I cannot work. Okay. I cannot work as you make a good deal of noise. See the use of comma. You make a good deal of noise, therefore I cannot work. Since, as, therefore. There are more words which you can use in place of so. Now just see how to use when both sides negative. When both the sentences are negative. John is not a dishonest man. He is not a liar. In place of not, what you can use? John is neither a dishonest man nor a liar. Means neither nor. Neither is John a dishonest man nor a liar. Now see the using of helping verb is. Okay, is we place either behind neither or before neither, or before noun or after noun. John. Clear? Now see how to use either or. He may come, he may send his brother. There is no certainty. Okay, he may is there. So in place of may, you can use either or. Either he may come or send his brother when there is no certainty of anything. Okay, and the animal may be a fish, it may be a serpent. You are not sure what's the animal. So you can use either or. The animal is either a fish or a serpent. Okay, so and now the conditional sentences when you use unless, when you use if, okay, or revise your courses, you will get poor marks. If you do not revise your courses, comma, you will get poor marks. Okay, unless you revise your courses, unless itself says not, you will get poor marks. And remember, when you use unless, you should not use, especially not word you should not use, because unless is itself a negative word. Okay, now when you joining you can join the sentence with you by using while or whereas. When two actions go together, they talked, the teacher taught. See, two actions are going at the same time. They talked while the teacher taught, and the women stayed at home, the men went out. The women stayed at home, whereas the men went out. So now you can use relative pronoun like who, which, that. That is the school, comma, I was taught there. Join two sentences by using relative pronoun. That is the school where I was taught. Where school stands for the school. So where stands for the place. The time was 8 p.m. The accident happened then. The time was the time when the accident happened was 8 p.m. When is showing you the time. Okay, so when relates the time. Okay, so and the next part is the relative pronoun again, of which he went away somewhere. I do not know this. Okay, this is the place again. I do not know where he went away. You have joined these two sentences by using where. Now these are the boys. They helped us. These are the boys who helped us. So who stands for the boy? Where stands for the place? So who, which, they, that. These all are the relative. So children, you must have seen, you must have observed that there are many alternatives of and, but, so. Now you have come to know that how to join different sentences by removing and, but, so, and in place of them what we can use. Clear? So I want you to revise these type of questions from your grammar book, okay, so that you should know each and everything about the using of other alternatives, okay, other alternatives of and, but, so. And still, if you have any problem, any queries, you can mail me. Clear? Okay.